Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. Here we have a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600. Bike is in mint condition. Close look at the fairings. There's no scuffs, scratches, marks of any kind. Very clean tank, carbon fiber protector. Seat has no tears or rips. This bike has the rear cowl cover. Tail section is very clean. Nice Michelin tires. Moving to the left, you can see the tail is very clean. Left side of the tank has no scratches, dents, marks. And the left fairing is also very clean. This bike will come with a 1-month, 1,000-mile warranty, and it will have a full inspection before it goes out the door. More pictures and information can be found online at SimplySportBikes.com.